fresh tubers arrive at the production line.
High-pressure water removes dirt and debris.
A rotating washer cleans every surface. A final rinse ensures perfect cleanliness. Excess water drains before further processing. Steam softens the tubers for peeling. Rotating rollers remove the outer skin. Clean tubers move to the cutting stage. Tubers are aligned for precise cutting. Precision blades dice the tubers. Diced cubes move to the next stage.
Cubes are divided for processing.
The cubes are ground into wet mash.
Replace that for the circuit one.
Starch-rich mash flows to the mixer. The mash is blended into a uniform mixture. Wet mash moves to the processing line. A rotating auger processes the mash. The mash is flattened into a sheet. Press rollers remove excess liquid. Hydraulic pressure compacts the mash. Compressed mash breaks into dry crumbs. Liquid starch is pumped for separation. Starch liquid collects in the vat. Centrifugal force separates the starch. Separated starch gathers along the drum. Dry starch powder is mixed evenly. Starch powder moves along the conveyor. Powder feeds into the mixing vat. Water hydrates the starch powder. The mixture is kneaded into dough. Dough forms into large, elastic portions. An auger feeds dough to the forming line. Dough spreads into a wide sheet. Rotary blades slice the dough sheet. Rollers compress the dough layer. The extruder pushes dough forward.
Extrusion forms long dough rods.
Dough rods move along the line. Rollers form a continuous dough sheet. Final rollers refine the noodle sheet. The noodle sheet folds into bundles.
Bundles enter the steaming tunnel.
Laser scanners check bundle alignment.
Steam cooks the noodle bundles. Cooked noodles exit the steamer.
Noodles drop to the next line.
Cooling air reduces heat and moisture. Noodles are folded into compact blocks.
Cooling stabilizes the noodle blocks.
Warm air dries the noodles.
Noodles are stacked for inspection. UV inspection ensures product quality.
Noodles enter the packaging line.
Each pack is weighed for accuracy.
A protective wrap is applied.
Heat seals secure the packaging. Dates are printed on each pack. Finished packs move to distribution.
Packs are boxed and sealed. Boxes are stacked onto pallets. Pallets move along the conveyor.
A robotic arm stacks the boxes.
The pallet advances to wrapping. The pallet is tightly shrink-wrapped.
Barcodes are scanned for verification.
Pallets move toward dispatch.
A forklift lifts the pallet. An AGV transports the pallet.
Pallets are loaded for delivery.